Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. It is Monday the 6th of December. I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So I worked a full day today because I have tomorrow off for some more appointments, and in between appointments I'm going to meet up with James Beauty Space. We're going to have lunch together seeing as I'm in Perth, and I need to grab something off him because we are sending a gift to someone, so yeah, I need to grab something from him as well. I'm not feeling too well today. I mean, I'm not feeling well any day at this stage. But I think yesterday was too much. Even though Morgan's mum and Morgan did majority of the work, I still used more energy than what I have been because I've been laying in bed most days right now. So I'm in a lot of pain right now. I'm struggling to keep my food in my stomach. I'm just about to have another nausea tablet, and everything like that. Probably have a shower. It is the evening now, we've just had dinner, but I just remembered that I needed to film the intro, and I also need to film today's little advent calendar unboxing. So yeah, let's go and quickly do this. If you missed it from last week's vlog, I'm doing 12 days of Christmas. Now I missed out on the advent calendars before they had sold out at like Sephora and Mecca, so I had my mother-in-law create me another one this year. So this year I'm doing Elf. So she has said this one is a surprise gift and this is the last day to open, so I'm not allowed to open that just yet. My first day that I opened, I got some Elf brow stuff, and my second day that I opened, I got some Elf little brushes from the Mint collection. So today is day 3 of the 12-day advent calendar, so I am opening up a present every second day, and then at the end I will use all the products and create a video with it as well and give you my first impressions. So we're gonna go in and choose a present today. I think let's go with this one. So let's open him up. This Precision Liquid Eyeliner Black. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. I don't think I've tried this eyeliner before, so I will be excited to give this a try. So we now have brows, we've got the brushes, and then we have the eyeliner. Hey guys, quick check-in. So I don't know if this is going up in this week's vlog or not. If this look is up, I'm going to add it into my vlog. I have put my hair back and taken my Christmas hat off. I will add in some pictures and maybe the little reel as well of it. But this is my Christmas look for the brush challenge for Erica Beauty's page. I'm super proud of myself for this. It is amazing. I cannot believe that I did this. So yeah, I'm so happy with it. Yeah, I'm super proud. So I just wanted to share it and show you guys what it looks like because yeah, I'm pretty impressed with it. I can't believe that I did this. Like, me, I did this, not someone else, me. That was me. I painted this on my face. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with myself. So yeah, I really wanted to show you guys what it looks like without any hat and my hair down, so you can see that it is real and it's not edited. This is really on my face. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome to December the 8th. It is actually 10 p.m. at night right now. It's it's cold in this room. It has been so hot the last 2 days. I've been dying. Was 40 degrees today. Got up to 43 in some suburbs. That is degrees Celsius, so I think it converted to about 110 Fahrenheit. So yeah, it's been pretty hot. Yesterday I had lots of appointments, so I don't think I did a check-in. I can't remember anyway if I did one. So I was at King Eddie's again. I did also meet up with James Beauty Space for lunch because I needed to grab something from him. But other than that, yesterday it was all just appointments. I'm still not sleeping and I'm still not any better. I think my pain is now stuck at like a 5 to 6 constantly. I'm getting about 3 hours sleep each night because I'm exhausted, but then I can't sleep after that. Today is my day off from work. Yesterday I had sick leave because I had lots of appointments. Today was my usual day off, so I have my swimming physio on Wednesdays. We wrapped up for the end of the year today at swimming, so we won't go back now until after the new year. But there was issues with the pool pump, probably because of the heat. So we swam for like 15 minutes and then they had to get us all out of the pool and to rinse off so the chemicals didn't affect us. And then we were waiting and they're like, it's going to take 2 hours to fix, so we're so sorry, we'll have to send you home. Which was really annoying because I really needed physio today. So I mean, I need it every week, but especially today. I am just jumping on to update you guys, and now I want to do my advent calendar. By the way, how cute are these pajamas? When coffee is life. So it's one of the Friends like pajama sets. So see if I can bring it down. It's got pajama pants as well. It was on sale I think at Big W, so I picked it up. Also, this is my makeup. I've got a cute little gingerbread man here. I have taken my lashes off. I've also taken the red lipstick off. The rest is still on for now. I'm trying to strategically place you because I have unwrapped Christmas presents here and I don't want anyone to see them. But yeah, it's advent calendar time, so let's open it up. So today is day 4 of the 12 days of the advent calendar. So let's go for this one. So I just add all the items back in the box, and at the end of the advent calendar I will do a face of using all the products. So let's open this up. Ooh, I've been wanting to get this. Yes. Okay, don't mind the rubbish in my hand. Okay, this is the e.l.f. liquid metallic eyeshadow. Look, it is a green color for Christmas. Yes. How cute is that? Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. I'm not necessarily a liquid eyeshadow fan, but I've been wanting to try these because I've heard some good things about them. So not sure if the color is picking up on camera, but it's super adorable. I can't wait. Hi guys, welcome to the 10th of December. It's actually 9:30 at night right now. I can't sleep again, so please excuse my hair. I had a really bad night last night, but Morgan did a combination of my meds and it worked. I was able to actually get some sleep for the first time in like a month, so that was nice. But I didn't want to risk doing it 2 nights in a row in case it like doesn't work again, and now I can't sleep. So I just remembered that I haven't done my advent calendar for today, so I thought I would jump in and quickly do it. So I'm gonna go in and I think I'm gonna choose this one today. So we're on to day 5, so let's open it up and have a look before you guys see. Can you guys guess what it is? Let me know down in the comments. No cheating. Woo! Okay, this is e.l.f. mascara, so lash extending black mascara. Ooh. I haven't tried this one actually. I'm gonna be interested in trying this one out. So super excited, but I did go out today and pick up Morgan's mum's birthday present. So let me show you what my friend made for my mother-in-law. So trying to do this without getting all the Christmas presents in the way because they're currently piled up on here. But this is what my friend made for my mother-in-law. So it's a really pretty flower arrangement, which I'm not sure if I've shown you, but she actually made me these as well. So this was my large arrangement, so I asked her if she could make something that would go in the watering can. So that watering can was from our wedding. So she made that one. She also made this one here. This one actually fits proper way. So it's all hanging down there and beautiful and blue for the coffee nook. So it's super cute. And she also made this one for the whole table as well. So yeah, she made those 3 for me, and my mother-in-law loved them. So I asked her if she could make me one for my mother-in-law. I obviously paid for them, but she is my friend. So yeah, I was super happy. I'm really impressed with what she did. I'll see if I can tag her business down below because she does make flowers or do flower arrangements for like weddings and stuff. So I'll try and tag her details down below. But that's my friend that I was meant to go to her birthday tomorrow. Instead, I went to her place today and grabbed the flowers and yeah, apologized and gave her a small gift today. She's also the friend that got married about a month ago, which you would have seen in my vlog if you watched that video. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to go and try sit down, hopefully get some sleep soon. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Saturday the 11th of December today. I just filmed the last try-on parts of my Lumi box today, so I did a wear test with my eyeshadow, which turned out really well, but make sure you check that video out. Otherwise, I have just done editing and we've done some chores around the house today. We wrapped all the Christmas presents. So yeah, now I am going to take my makeup off and get ready for bed. So I'll check in with you guys tomorrow, but yeah, there was nothing really to check in today. So yeah, I'll chat to you guys then. Hey guys, welcome to the 12th of December. It is Sunday. It's actually 6 p.m. right now. I'm just cooking roast for the mother-in-law for her birthday. But she just reminded me about the advent calendar. So today is day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. So I'm gonna let the mother-in-law choose which one for me to open today. So she's gonna come in. Make sure you say happy birthday in the comments. But she's gonna choose one out of here, even though she knows everything. All right, perfect. Wonder what's here today. Oh God, she's take this one up good. Ooh, what is this? Oh, it's a putty blush. Ooh.
Yeah. Those are 2 words I never would have thought I'd hear together.
Turks and Caicos?
Turks and
Caicos?
you know.
Something like that, but this is the blush here. So this is day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. So super exciting. I can't wait until I've opened everything so then I can use everything on camera for you guys.
Really? Are you excited?
I am.
Oh.
She doesn't believe me. So yeah, as normal, I'm just popping all the products back in here so I don't use them before the 12 days is up. I will show you what we have for dinner later, the roast dinner for the mother-in-law's birthday, and then a surprise after that. So I will chat to you guys later.